video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a damage info script for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. You just to click over here, then it will redirect to the Apex store. You just to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. So from this configuration, we can enable the damage indicator. So I'll suggest you to keep it on true. So if you want the damage indicator show the real player's damage, then you just need to change the false into true. Or if you keep it on false, it will show the damage of both players and NPCs. So I'll be keeping it on false. So these are the display settings. You can configure it according to your preference. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. So let me show you how the script works. So if I shoot a pad, so it will show the HP, how much it got detected over here. If the damage is showing on green, that means the pad is still alive. If it's showing on red, that means the pad is dead. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.